Hi, I am Ampika. Welcome to my YouTube channel Kitchen Tales. Today I am going to make a very tasty dish with lotus seed and paneer. Before I start, I request you all to subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for notifications. Please see the ingredients shown on the screen. Let us look at the ingredients. Lotus seed 50 gram, tomato small 3 numbers, green chilli 3 numbers, ginger 1 small piece, big onion 2 numbers, cashew 40 numbers, paneer 100 gram, ghee 2 tablespoon, chilli powder 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, oil 3 tablespoon. First of all, we pour 2 tablespoon ghee in a pan and heat it. To this, we add the lotus seeds and fry them till they become light brown. Then move it to a plate. After that, add 3 tablespoon oil to the pan and add green chilli and ginger and saute it till it becomes brown. Then add big onion and salt to it. Saute it till it becomes brown. Before it becomes brown, add chilli powder and turmeric powder to it. After that, add tomato paste and boil it. To that, add cashew paste and 2 glasses of boiled water. Boil this mixture. To this, add paneer and lotus seeds. Boil until it becomes thick enough. Now the dish is ready. It is better to serve this after it has cooled down a bit since it will be more tasty then. You should definitely try this. It is very tasty. Since this dish does not need masala, it has a gentle taste. This can be served with chapati, roti, naan, etc. Hope everyone liked this video. If you did, please like and share. Please leave your comments down below. See you again with another recipe. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.